part of the creation tools is the drop down menu right here. So when you click on that, you see that there are a lot of choices. There are also a lot of choices that are available elsewhere. We'll start at the top with the property browser. When you click on that, it gives you a bunch of different information about whatever it is that you have used your select feature to select. The next one is an action browser, which lets you choose what you would like to do with that object. The align tools are also available later down in the drop-down menu, and then it also gives you some choices that are available elsewhere in ActiveInspire. The Edit Shape Points tool, when you click on that, you can change your shape to be anything you want. And then to get rid of it, go to Edit and Undo, and it goes right back into being a rectangle. The next tool, Insert Link to File, will allow you to have a link with the shape that I just clicked on, and it will let you connect it with a PDF document or a Word document. You can do whatever you would like. So I'll click OK. The circle that looks like a play button tells you that there is an action that will happen when you click in that spot. So then when I click on the rectangle, the document that I linked there will show up. The next tools are things that you can do with anything. Cut, copy, paste, duplicate, make a copy is also this button. And then transform allows you to change how the shapes or writing look. Let me put all of these shapes into a group so that it can be shown better. Now these are grouped so that everything moves all together. And go back into transform. Changing the size is the same as the stars in the creation tool. And so when you click on these, other things show up. This is mirrored. Oh, except it didn't stay grouped. So then the next thing, you can also flip it, and now it looks exactly the same except it's been flipped. Bring that back to the way it was. The align, I have to change to a different page that I got ready. So now I have all of our listening rules used mainly when we are sitting on the carpet. All of these have been typed as their own text line. So using the text button, click in here, type in the word, and then you have to drag this over. That's how I made all of them. So in order to align these, click on them. Sorry, you need to highlight all of them, use the drop-down menu to align, You can align center, align left, then try align center. Each is based on the line that I made when I was typing them. And then you can also line it to the bottom. And then in order to go back, hit undo a few times. And then I would like them all aligned left. And now they're ready to share with my students. The reorder tool is something that I use a lot more because the bring to front and bring back buttons don't seem to work well for me. So you go into reorder, and so if I sent ungroup it, click on just one of them, reorder to send to back. Now that rectangle is still there, however, it's behind the larger yellow rectangle. So I will undo that. Or you can select the big yellow rectangle and reorder that and bring to front, and it will be in front of the other smaller rectangles. Send it to the back again. And then if I take this and group it, I can then use the locked key, and now when we are doing morning meeting, my students will drag these tools over to show how many days we've been in school so far, accidentally let go, or lift the pen in their case, and then all of a sudden they're dragging these rectangles over and it doesn't look right, and sometimes they get really frustrated with having to fix it. But I have locked these in, so now I have to go into edit and design mode in order to do anything else with them. And then the next thing is hidden. While I have this still highlighted, I click on hidden, and all of a sudden I can't see my shape again. However, uncheck it and it suddenly works.